Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video it is kind of like a jewelry haul. I've basically tried Lovisa for the first time, so this is a first impressions try on haul for Lovisa. Also, I'm gonna be doing two parts to this video, so this is gonna be the first part of the jewelry haul, and then my next video will be the second order that I did with Lovisa. So that is what today's video is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it, comment down below what your favorite pieces were, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So I literally made two orders. This one I believe I made first, and then literally when I saw everything and I liked everything, I made this order after. So it was a lot. Okay, so before we get into like the actual pieces themselves, let me just talk about like my experience and everything, as it was a first time ordering from Lovisa. So when I was on the website, everything is very easy to see, everything is really nice, clean, clear. There was a 4 for £10 offer, so essentially I got about 8 pieces for £20. The delivery said 2 to 3 business days, so working days. I'm pretty sure it came earlier than that. It was very quick, and that was for both of the parcels as well. Both of them came at the exact same time as each other. And then this is just the packaging as well, just to show you guys. It's just a plain kind of like a creamy kind of package, and it just has the logo on the front and then a hashtag. I'm thinking maybe you use that like on Instagram maybe to tag them. So let's look at the products now. So there's 9 pieces in this one, so let's do this first order. So I have 3 necklaces, 3 rings as well. Oh, 3 earrings. I didn't even notice I did that. Let's do the necklaces first. The SG cherry necklace, and that is what it looks like. So it's just a nice long little necklace. It's gold as well, not silver, and yep, it's just got that little cherry there. It's a little bit blingy, but it's not as blingy as I kind of wanted it to be. It's a little bit, it's not as shiny, but it's still nice. It's still like a cute little necklace anyway. So the chain, it says, is 45 centimeters, so that's just a better look at it. It's really cute, to be honest. It's a nice little cute little necklace, you know. And then at the back it's just got the rest of the chain. But that is the first necklace, a nice little cherry necklace. The next necklace I have the gold diamante smiley face necklace. So this is what it looks like. So it's just got that nice little smiley face. I think they're all 45 centimeters in the chain as well. We've all got the sign there just saying that it's 45 centimeters. And that is what the chain looks like. Just a cute little smiley face. This is a lot more blingy than the cherries. That's kind of like the blinginess that I was expecting on the cherries, but they were just like a little bit dull compared to what obviously I was expecting. So yeah, without the discount this would have been £7. With the discount it was £2.59. So that is the smiley necklace. The last necklace is this necklace, which is the rose gold diamante ring charm necklace, and this would have been £6 without the discount. With it, it is £2.23. So that is what the necklace looks like. It's just like this kind of round, I guess like they said, a ring kind of charm on the necklace. Then it's got a nice little circle, and then it's just got like the bling around it. So now for the rings. So this is a 90s theme 3-pack ring. Would have been £8 without the discount. It is £3.20 with the discount. So you just have a selection of the 3 rings. So you've got this pearl one, and then you've got this yin and yang one with a little bit of bling on there, and then you've just got this daisy flower one as well. So it's a nice little 3-pack. So it's a nice little 3-pack that you get all together. The next ring is a gold wrap ring, and it would have been £4 without the discount and £160 with the discount. It's like a stackable kind of looking ring, so it's just like a nice simple ring, you know, nothing too fancy dancy, but yeah, it's just like one of those stackable kind of looking rings. And then the last ring that I have is this gold mini jewel floor ring, and it would have been £8 and it was £3.20 with the discount. Yeah, so this is the ring. It's like this green, it's like, looks like a little emerald basically, and it's got a little bit of bling on the sides as well, as you can see, like over there. But yeah, it's like a nice little emerald kind of gem looking ring. Definitely like a little fancier, you know, than like the other one before, the stackable one. But yeah, that's what the ring looks like. And then on to the earrings, the last part in the first package. We've got some silver mini diamante earrings that were £7, but we got it for £2.59. So these are like, you know, your little fancy earrings. I wanted like some little drop ones, and I saw these and they just looked really cute. You know, those little like drop down ones, little shaky ones. So yeah, I really wanted these. So these are them. Nice and simple, little diamantes. There's 2 of them as well, like on each ear. So it gives it a little bit more body. But those are the earrings.